Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to make a meditation pad for meditating in a laying down position. And it's better to meditate in that way if your body is really strained and tired or needs to unwind and relax. If this, like my body right now, is that way because I've been working all day, and I just really need to uncork, and I can feel my mind is strained mostly because my body is tight. And so what you want to do, and I've moved this into this room because it's warm in here, and in my bedroom it's not. So you want to create a cushion that's not too thick, but probably about a ½ inch to an inch thick. You don't want it to be too thick because that's creating like too much pressure on the muscles. What you want is to take the pressure off all your muscles and just put it on the bony prominences on your body, which are your tailbone, your shoulder blades, the back of your heels. You'll feel a little bit of pressure on your calves, and that's it. All your muscles they're not touching hardly anything. There's no pressure on them when you just have a small amount, just a small amount of cushion for comfort. Oh, and also you want a little bit of support under your knees. So you want them up just a little bit to take, so that you're in a little bit more of a fetal position. So what you do is put a yoga mat down first. This is what I'm doing, and you can adjust it to your liking. Put a wool blanket down, that gives it a little more cushion. So now I'm up to about a ½ inch of cushion. And then I put a cotton, because cotton feels better than wool, but with your clothes on it won't matter much. But I put another cotton blanket on there. So now I've got probably just about an inch of support, a little bit less. And then I put one of my knee ankle bolsters down here. If you want to get a knee ankle bolster or a millet hole pillow, click that link right there and it'll take you to my site. But what you want to do is completely relax. I'm just gonna put my knees right there on that bolster and dig them in. Notice how it makes a perfect mold. And then lay down there. And then just let your body completely relax. And you will notice in this what they call shivasana position that you will get so relaxed because your muscles aren't being pushed on at all. This is the position that they always finish yoga classes with, and there's a reason, because this is the one where you relax more than anything else. Oh man, it is so good to just completely relax here and stretch. And your mind starts to feel better in a matter of moments, and you are like in heaven again, baby. And when your body relaxes, your mind will relax. And what I will do is I will, and these are more advanced tips for you now, okay? So what I will do is I will relax here, and then I will start to feel maybe a little bit of tension in a specific spot. When all of the muscles start to relax, it reveals the places that are still tense. And then you get up and you do some massage specifically on those places that have been revealed. Okay? And all of this it totally makes logical sense. You're relaxing all the muscles, but there are specific places that will get revealed when you do that. So what if you feel tension in your abdominal region? It may be because you're somewhat constipated and the poo needs to be jiggled. It needs to be moved around a bit so that it can get going. And people's digestive systems are so clogged with gluten from wheat and mucoid plaque from not eating enough roughage. All that Wonder Bread is stuck in there, and it's no wonder. But you can help it. Start here near the ileocecal valve and start moving it. It goes in this direction. Moving it from there. Feel for where it's tight and sore. Don't be afraid to get in there and really push, because you've got to get through the fat to be able to feel your large intestine. Or maybe it's the small intestine in here that really needs help. Feel down there and start massaging that. Wherever it's hard, tight, sore, that's where you need to work it. And just work it all the way around there. Don't be surprised if you need to go take a dump pretty soon, because this really works, and I am not kidding you. It really is amazing. This is a tool for your tool bag. Do not forget this, because it's really important. This little massaging the abdominal region, why not stop here for a minute and help your liver with a little massage? When you get over here, why not stop here and massage your stomach underneath there? Duodenum. And there's two big muscles, the iliopsoas muscles, that you may feel right, there. I can bop it back and forth. And so you're kind of working a bunch of different things. Whenever your large intestine is sore, it will make the surrounding things tight and sore. And these iliopsoas muscles will get tight and sore when you have an irritable bowel. So yeah, put that in your tool bag. You may also feel as though you need to crack your back, and that's where you need one of these wooden spine rollers. You just get it right on the spot. Put your hands behind your neck like that. Did you hear that? Crack. Did you hear it crack? Probably. Right near the rhomboids is where I typically crack. Such a great tool. Links in description box down below. So you just lay here for a while, and you may need to massage those specific places, or you may need to stretch those specific places. Maybe you feel some tension in your hips, and so then you go like that. And you stretch the hips specifically. And you breathe, and maybe you had forward head posture, so then you start going like this, and you lift your arms up like this. And you're stretching your neck, because when you're stretching your neck, but your head is flat on the floor, and you turn the axis, and everything starts to go back where it's supposed to be, because you get the head posture forward too much, and that is no good. You don't want a forward head posture, and this is a daily thing that you have to work on. Getting your head back and your neck and your shoulders back to where they belong. Rotating the head back and forth. It's so freaking good. Keeping the shoulders flat on the floor. getting that straight up and down posture that you really want for good health. If you feel a knot, take that hand, put it on the back of your neck, and start massaging the knot. I feel the tension. See, it's easy to feel your own body because it's your body. No massage therapist, even really good ones that can feel your body really good, they can't always feel as good as you can. So just put your fingers right on those places and dig it right there. Hold it. Breathe. Okay, and when you do this, maybe you'll do some of these butterflies. And when it snows pretty soon, you can do this right in the snow. How about this? You do this exercise on the floor, keeping your arms flat on the floor. And your shoulders are moving under your arms, and they're creating this new reality of good posture. And you're rotating your head back and forth. You're squeezing. You're feeling in there, and you're squeezing all of this. Can you see that? You're squeezing. You're stretching. And then you do this movement activity, and then you go back to your meditation. And you just allow gravity. See, there's different things. You're calming the mind. You're blanking the mind. You're relaxing the body. And then in intervals, you are stretching and massaging the body. And you go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and it becomes a session of complete release. That's what you want. You want to completely release the mind and the body. Then you become renewed. Oh, let's check out what Brett made for dinner. Acorn squash and seeds, baked at just the right time and temperature for about 25 minutes at 275. Kale steamed for just the right amount of time. It's not too overcooked, it's not undercooked. Brown rice is cooking. It's getting there. I put some portobello mushrooms in there. I put some fresh dandelion leaf in there. Chopped it up. I put some salt and a few spices. Oh, garlic. It's got garlic in it. And I've got some black-eyed peas. Ooh, sorry. Did that burn you? Are you okay? Okay. So black-eyed peas in there with some kelp. And the kelp, oh, you can't read that. The kelp, it protects me against radiation in case the Russians fire off missiles today. And yeah, and then I'll probably maybe make up some salad or something. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, and then go to brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links in description box below. Get you a millet hole pillow, get you a body pillow, get you a wooden spine roller and orthotics and all kinds of awesome products. Bye.